In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use DuckDuckGo email aliases. By the end, you'll create a new @duck.com alias, copy it, use it for signups, understand how forwarding works, and know where to manage or delete your aliases. First, open your web browser and go to https://duckduckgo.com/email. Press Enter to load the email protection page. You should see the DuckDuckGo email protection dashboard or a prompt to sign in. Next, sign into your DuckDuckGo email account. Enter your credentials and confirm. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your email protection dashboard. Wait for the page to load completely before moving on. Now go to Email Protection Settings. On the dashboard, look for the Settings or Email Protection section and open it. This is where you manage your aliases and forwarding preferences. Keep this page open, as you'll return here whenever you need to create or manage aliases. Click Create New Alias. This button generates a unique private email address that ends in @duck.com. It masks your real inbox and helps reduce spam from signups. Click once and wait a moment for the alias creation panel to appear. Enter a label or name for the alias. Type a short label that helps you remember where you'll use this alias, such as newsletters or shopping. This label is only for you. It doesn't appear in the email address and won't be visible to senders. Double-check the label so you can easily identify the alias later. DuckDuckGo generates a random @duck.com email. You'll see the full alias on screen once it's created. The random address is automatically linked to your account and will forward messages to your real inbox. There's nothing else to configure here, so just confirm the address is visible. Copy the alias email address. Click the copy icon or select the address and copy it to your clipboard. If you're screen recording along, you'll see the copied confirmation. Keep this alias handy, as you'll paste it into sign-up forms in the next step. Use it to sign up for websites or newsletters. Open a new tab, go to the website you want to register for, and in the email field, paste the @duck.com alias you just copied. Complete the sign-up as usual. If the site sends a confirmation or newsletter, it will go to the alias first and then be forwarded to your real inbox. This lets you use the service without exposing your personal email. Emails sent to the alias are forwarded to your real inbox. You don't need to check a separate mailbox. When a message arrives, it will appear in your regular email with the alias shown in the headers, so you'll know which alias received it. If a confirmation email was part of your sign-up, check your inbox now and complete any required verification. Manage or delete aliases anytime in Settings. Return to the Email Protection Settings page where your aliases are listed. Find the alias you created. From here, you can view details, pause forwarding if available, or delete the alias. If you choose to delete, confirm the action. Don't worry, deleting an alias does not affect your real email. It simply stops that alias from receiving new messages. You can come back later to create new aliases whenever you need them. At this point, you've successfully created a DuckDuckGo email protection alias, copied it, used it for a sign-up, confirmed that forwarding works to your real inbox, and seen where to manage or delete aliases in Settings. Everything is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.